Hey, what up? Jonathan Zabrocki. How you doing? Hey, in this video, I want to talk to you about what is a cool premium lead, a cool premium buyer and seller, at least in my definition, and what do they want? Well, a cool premium buyer and seller, they want a few things. They want something different, which is pretty much they want something cooler and better, and they would prefer to make some money. So one of the things that I do is, I call it my green machine. And the way I start my day is I always take a look at this page here. Let's see if I can pull it out. And this is a page that I went and I Googled, what has happened to home prices since 1930. And you can kind of see on there, home prices since 1930 have gone up a lot, right? And generally, home prices every 10 years, generally, they go up anywhere from 50 to 100% depending upon your marketplace. And so we got that covered, like, is now a good time? Like, yeah, as long as you're planning on staying there like longer than 18 months, you should definitely buy a home. So that's they want to make some money. Your odds are very high you're going to make money buying something in residential real estate, as long as you're not buying in that top 10% of your market's price point, which, it's just a hard one to sell. Cool. And then really understanding, like, buyers and sellers, cool premium buyers and sellers, they want something different, right? So maybe it's that person that wants a different school district. Maybe it's that person that's like, could care less about the school district. My kids are out of school. Maybe it's that person that, they're on their McMansion home, I call it, and they're like, man, I'm done with the steps. Like, screw that. All things being equal, though, they want those two things. They want something cooler and better, and they prefer to make some money. So let me now describe for you, like, okay, cool, but like, tell me more about those people. Well, I focus again on 16, 8, and 2, 16 cool premium leads a month. Now, a cool premium lead to me, number one, is they are in the top 50% of your market's price point. Now, they're not in that top 10% because that's Kim Kardashian land. Not interested in that. But they're in that top 40%, right? One of the reasons I like that, I was going to say a second thing, but main reason I like that is because these people are busy, right? Generally, it's mom, dad, cat, dog, pet turtle, 2.2 kids, okay? So they got stuff going on. They're not interested in spending 9 months looking for a home. Heck, they're not even interested in spending 9 hours looking at a home. They have like an hour free time on Thursday at 4 o'clock in between and so they're like, I gotta get this crap done. I wanna see these 3 homes, see if it's one that we should move to. If it is, cool. If it isn't, gotta go pick up, Billy at violin practice. And generally people in that top 50% who are that mom, dad, cat, dog, pet, turtle, 2.2 kids, they are decision makers. And I would write that word down. When you start to work with buyers and sellers that are decision makers, oh my gosh, your life will totally start to improve. Now, the thing is, for you to attract people who are decision makers, that means you got to do what? Yeah, you hit it on the nail on the head. That means you got to start to be a decision maker, right? You can't be like, well, tomorrow. Because if you're that kind of person, you're just going to attract buyers and sellers who are like, we'll wait till tomorrow. So here's a homework assignment for you. If you have not been or attended one of my 3-day events, here's a decision right in front of you. Sign up and attend one of my 3-day events. Go to the website profitsandpassions.com, click the button, it's probably going to be up near here somewhere, and get signed up for the 3-day event today. I guarantee you it's going to change your world. Some of the benefits are, I'm going to teach you all 11 ways of how I attract really cool premium buyers and sellers almost at will. I'm going to give you my exact initial consultation, or as realtors would say, a listing presentation, a buyer presentation. And we're going to go over what to do step by step by step so that you can start to add $300,000 of GCI to your bank account within 12 months. And that's going to happen because you're working with 1 to 2 cool families a month who are in that upper 50% price point in your marketplace. And this works regardless if you have any experience, regardless of how long or short you've been in a realtor, regardless if you shave or don't shave, or one of the things I did 2 days ago, oh my gosh, this bump here, I fell off my bike. I was riding with my son Connor on bicycles, and I went head first, slammed on the brakes to miss a curb. Probably shouldn't have done that. And I went head first, my chin straight into the pavement. And yeah, I can go meet a buyer seller looking like this. It's not gonna matter, because when you have the right system, everything kind of takes care of itself. All right, get signed up. Go to profitsandpassions.com and let's start getting some cool premium leads that you can start working with immediately. All right, see ya. Bye.